How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and hiking. Do you have any hobbies?
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish. What about you?
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception. What's yours?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. How about you?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. What's yours?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. What about you?
How was your weekend?
It was great, thank you. How was yours?
What's your favorite season?
I love summer. What's your favorite season?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and watching movies. What about you?